guys, we're going to go over how to create a bootable USB Windows 10 installation. So to do this, the first thing we need is the Windows Media Creation Tool. So we're going to Google Windows Media Creation Tool Windows 10, and you should see Create Installation Media, support.microsoft.com. You want to make sure you're doing it from a Microsoft site. Windows 10. All right, there we go. Create Windows 10 installation media. We're going to hit download now. And right here, the actual URL is microsoft.com/en-us/software-download/Windows 10. And then it's going to come up with this media creation tool. We're going to go ahead and run that. It's getting things ready. Go ahead and plug in your USB drive. Click accept. And then it gives you the option to either upgrade the computer you're on now or create installation media. That's what we're going to do, create installation media. Next. Recommended settings is fine. If you don't want to do that and you want a different version for some reason, you can uncheck that and change the language, change the architecture. But we're just going to say use the recommended settings for this PC. All right, next. USB flash drive, and ours is the E drive, so we're going to click next on that, and this is going to take a minute. All right, and sped that up for you guys so you wouldn't have to watch the whole thing. But our USB flash drive is ready. We're going to go ahead and click finish. And it does like a little cleanup there. Now, next time you put this flash drive in, what's going to happen is it's going to detect it, and it's going to detect the install as well. So you might see a screen like this, or a little pop-up like this. Now, if I run this setup, it's going to go into the Windows setup. This is a bootable USB drive, but it also has the install that you can run just right off the USB. So you can move this to another computer and run the USB, the setup right in the USB if you'd like, and that's going to start the setup here. Or you could, if you need to wipe the drive or something like that, you could restart the system and boot to the USB, or boot from the USB rather, and that'll give you options to clean your drive and everything else. I hope this was helpful. You guys have a good day.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to.